dun, dun. Welcome. How is everybody? Now I gotta hold on. There's gonna be a lot of flashing. Let's go. Check this out. Oof. What happened to this? Alright, never mind. We're gonna just use this one. Yeah, that works. Okay. See. Head. Hold on, I gotta look at some stuff. Alright, never mind. Just use this one. Alright. Today, taking this. Oh, come on. You can do it. There. Yeah. Hold on, I have a picture of it right here. Oh, I did. Hold on. What did I just do with it? Oh, it's in that folder. Hold on. Dun, dun. Ah, here it is. So we're taking this. This is an old drawing I made years ago, back when I was doing drafting for fun because I had nothing better to do. This is a little small project I was working on because I was trying to be artistic and I was trying to do this like abstract piece where it had like a triangle, square, and then something round. And I kept having so much trouble making something roundish that I ended up having to make this piece just for concept so I could finish it, which in the end I don't think I ever did. Um, it was really funny because while I was drawing this, I had to make it in the 3D space because I didn't know what I could see through here. Um, so I made it so I could look at it and be like, oh, okay, well, that's what I can see. Because, I'm weird like that. Um, anyway, let's do this and then that and that and that. One more second. Oh. Dump, dump, okay. All right, so now that I have a 3D printer, I want to make this so that I can hold it. Cause why not? Um. Anyway, so I have my drawing right here. I was going to use my trusty old metric ruler, but I said, why do that when I can just use my calipers, which will give me a much more accurate number, right? Right? This should be 10. That's not 10. That's 10. So then what should, okay, whatever. We're gonna figure this out. Half of it's made up anyway. So first we're gonna do some lines. I made this fairly linear. It shouldn't be too radically crazy. So we'll call that 40. Alright, so 40. Let's see. Well, that doesn't look right. Oh, I didn't do that right. Hold on. Yeah, put that second 30 in there. This is a proof of concept because when I made this, it all made sense to me. I have no idea what I was thinking, but you know. So if I do that and then that, and here's a trick you can do. So just that and then mirror, grab these two, get a midpoint, click, erase, do not erase source project, we'll just get rid of these. Ta-da! There is that. So now, I like to work with fairly rounded numbers. I seem to be getting 9. It's interesting. I'm getting 10 here, but where's this? Did I just do... Oh, that's what I did. Did I do metric? No. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did. None of it makes sense. Let's see, wait. Okay, so that should have been 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, okay, so that did work. Alright, so I have something here. My measurements are accurate. Thank you, younger me, for not getting rid of these reference points. That was very helpful to me right now. And I think what we're gonna do is we'll call that 1. Let's do so offset 1. Oh, that's not right. One centimeter. Oh, how badly did I just screw this up? Oh, that doesn't seem right. But that's not right either. I don't understand. That's like... This is a lot of what's going on. I don't understand sometimes. See, 5 looks like it makes sense. Oh, well, okay, that makes sense. All right, so I did this. All right, hold on. We're gonna start over because I did my measurements wrong. Okay. We'll just start here. So this, it's, we'll just do it. We'll do this. Nope. Nope. All right. we're back, we're back to the original. Now if I offset 1, there we go. Okay. That makes sense. Although I don't recall them. There was something weird about the angles. And I'm pretty sure I just did this. Because that honestly looks right. Yeah, I think that's what I did. So we're going to get rid of these. The angles are thinner than the main side. So, okay, cool. We've got that. Now for the fun part, we'll do join this. All right. Okay. All right, so now we'll bring it to an isometric view. And we're going to go to our 3D tools. We're going to do, I see that I don't have press pull yet. So we're going to do one. Oh, distance of one. Okay. And then since we don't have that, we'll do extrude. Huh. All right, hold on. Let's do this. We're going to do viewpoint. We're going to, nope. That's, visual style. This is what I want. I want a flat shaded object. We're going to take this. Because I don't have it. Anyway, we're going to take this. What? Alright. So now, yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we're going to do subtraction. This is the select from the one we're going to subtract from. And then select. Hey! Alright. Alright, so we're going to copy this. Copy mode is not supported for what? It doesn't make sense. You've clearly copied it right there. I don't know what the hell this is. That's BS. I've done this already. Are you going to tell me I can't move it? Oh, 3D copy. Yeah, that didn't do anything. Why does this not work? I miss my program. This is what I don't like. It doesn't do basic things that I need it to do. And yes, this is a very cheap, it's a much cheaper version that I can manage to use. It doesn't even make sense. It should be a very simple thing to do. I really don't want to have... I guess we're doing this the hard way then. Okay. See, in my other program, we have what's called press pull. You click in an area, and if it's enclosed, you can click on it and extrude it all the way out. Speaking of which, that's doing okay. All right. That is a very time-saving feature, which is really, 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 really useful. Flat shaded. And a lot of this is some really old tech, and it's just kind of annoying. Don't get me wrong, I am very grateful to have the ability to do this, but at the cost of not being able to do things like I was taught, it is functionally irritating. Anyway, so subtraction, that one. All right, there we go. And that could have been easily done with the copy command had it been able to do that, which is absolutely dumb that it couldn't. Thank you. NanoCAD, I guess. Wasting my time. All right, so what we're going to do is two of these, so don't need to be moved. So this top, this is the bottom. That's easy to do. These are going to be the sides, and these are going to be these sides. So this was, okay, so we're going to do 3D rotate. And then 90 degrees. 3D rotate. All right. So I know this is kind of confusing to look at, but I just have all of them in their correct orientation now. Since this is, actually this isn't the original, this one's the original. Whatever. We're gonna do move, specify base point, and then match it up. And as you can probably see, it works already. And then we need this one. Move. to there. Just check our work as we're going. Doing good. Okay. Then move. Now, the thing is, if I could copy these the correct way, all I needed to do was make 3 of these an x-axis, a y-axis, and an x-axis and a z-axis, because I only needed these two, but technically it's x, y, and z. We're not gonna go there though. Anyway, when I made those 3, all I had to do is go copy, click, click, copy, click, click, copy, click, click. Saves time. Oops. Deselect that, move. And finally, you. Although I thought I put you on there, I guess I did what I did earlier. And so, now that I have this object, I go isometric view and boom, there you go. A 3D representation of what I made. So now is the hard part where I'm going to make this a 3D model. Now, it's always interesting because I guess I forgot to shade that one. Right there, yeah. Oops. I didn't do a good job shading it. In fact, I did it the opposite here. That was terrible. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to export Octagon as an STL file, stereolithograph. Save. And then we're going to do Reality Slicer. We're going to find that. Where did I save that to? Octagon.dwg. Drawing. Now, where did that get saved to, though? Ah, there it is. Okay, alright, so. Oh, we don't need 2 of these open. We're going to put that there, get rid of that, and then. Ta-da! Oh. Look at how tiny it is! Oh, it's so cute! Alright, so. That is way too tiny to print. Let's do 500%. Yeah, alright, that's good enough. Let's see how that does. So that'll give us an hour. Oh, that's actually not that long. Um, So all these red parts are unsupported material, which is interesting that it doesn't show up here because this is all unsupported. We're gonna do some generate support. 45, we're gonna do lines. Support densities, oh Jesus Christ, 10%. It's gonna be very weak, which is what I want. Everywhere. So all of this should end up as, or it might just build straight up from here, leaving these sides, because this will be supported hopefully right here. And then so I am currently printing something right now, and that means I cannot do it. But, you know, I'm pretty happy with it. You know, it's gonna look nice. We can do a preview, which is gonna make it look all funky. Yes, okay. So, as you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but this will be supported. Oh, are you gonna build? Aha. Okay, so what it's gonna do is it's basically gonna infill a lot of this, so that all of this this ring is supported. It's gonna look really cool. I'm gonna be able to hold this drawing in my hands, and this is what I love about this kind of technology. It is, I love it. You know, I mean, it's great because we got Kermini right here. This was a drawing on a piece of paper at some point, and someone's like, you know what, I can actually design that. I am not nearly this good. This is a whole level of creative and skill that I'm not even familiar with yet. I do industrial designing. That's why, like, a while ago, I was working on something. Um, oh, this. Uh, I just love designing. Like it for me, putting this together into that shape, it's like a Sudoku, at least for me. Um, Figuring out where would I even start with this, and I ended up trying to do this a couple times, but where it fell apart was this part connected to here. Now in AutoCAD, which is the program I learned how to do something, this would be like a 5-minute project for me. It would be so simple to do. But in this one, it doesn't have all the nice little shortcuts and available uh, features that come in AutoCAD. And the problem is, AutoCAD knows this. They know that what they've got is a quality product, and you will pay for that quality product. Um, so where this product was like $300 for a year, the a month for AutoCAD is $220. I'm like, wish. I really wish I could do that, but 1200 a year for a program that I'm going to sparingly use, which I mean I could justify it, but if I started selling some of my print stuff, yeah, I guess I could pay for it then, but it's just such a cost that I couldn't do it. It is too expensive for something I'm gonna use very rarely. But it is what it is. Um, Back when I was in college for that short period of time, which I took, I got a certificate in AutoCAD, which it's pretty goddamn useless. But I had an old laptop that I had it downloaded on, and actually, you know what? Oh, I don't think I can play it. It's got copyrighted music. Anyway, um, I had it on my laptop, and the thing was, I disconnected it from the internet after a while because it just didn't need to use it. And the thing about programs like that is it likes to have an internet connection because then it can update information like time by itself. So when you get to the end of your um, can't think of the word, like your subscription to the program, it goes, oh, hey, it's that time. Yeah, it's right. I can see it right here in your data. It is, you know, February 29th. Um, it's your subscription's ended. Um, Without the internet, it can't verify that data. I had the AutoCAD program for so long because I never turned on the internet. And this is a well-known like thing. Like once you put like a program like that on your computer, you just disconnect it from the internet and it can't tell when the subscription's ended. And I mistakenly in a rush hooked it up to the internet so that I could send something out. Um, and then it's just like, oh, hey, you're about 4 years over. I can't let you use this anymore. Son of a bitch. Screwed that up for myself. It happens. But if you think that uh, this thing looks familiar, though, where is it? If you think this looks familiar, it actually is, because I'm going to go right here. It is in the eye of my logo right here. Actually, I wonder if yeah, here, I can just do this. I put it in my logo because I really loved this. I really liked it. It's kind of reminiscent of the uh, the logo or my avatar on PlayStation. Let me see if I can find it. Where is it? Let me see. I'll just put this on. I know I can find it. I found it before. Here it is. Okay. How do I get this? Let's see, desktop. This one is has been my logo since I started playing PlayStation, and I just love how it looks. If honestly, if I were ever to get a tattoo, I'd probably get this thing. Um, anyway, so yeah, that this has always kind of reminded me. Like I wish I could have had that logo, that image in my logo, but I didn't want to run into any uh, licensing issues or copyright infringement because that can be a pain in the ass. So anyway, um, yeah. So okay, so we went from wait, that's not it. So I went from this to this to wait, oh, what happened here? What just happened? To this, and something's gone wrong. To this. And I think that's the greatest thing ever. I will literally be able to hold this object that I made with my brain a while ago. Oh, wait, no, that just got smaller. Let's add another zero. There we go. Okay. And then that should all be the same. Nope, we did not generate support. Infill. Just do cubic. 10%. Okay. Yeah. All right. So, that'll be it for today. Um, I get rid of some of this. Anyway, I hope that was interesting to watch. If there's any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer almost anything. Uh, but yeah. So, oh, I could have totally played some music during this. That would have been smart. Anyway, I hope that was interesting and or educational. But yeah, I think I'll definitely have to show it off at some other point when it's printed. Um, but it's gonna be a 4-hour print. Yikes. That's gonna take a while. Anyway, all right. I hope you have a good one, as always.